Ayan guys, alis na naman tayo. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Terminal 3. At ayun nga, delay ang flight namin.
Electrical discussion we were having earlier about the in-flight entertainment system. So, unfortunately, the internet will not be available. Your overhead lights might not be available. The seat power for charging your devices might not be available in the in-flight entertainment. They have had a problem, they could not get it reconnected, so I wanted to give you this information. Now, as we get going, if the system will accept the power changes, there might be a chance that some of this stuff will work. However, I wanted you to have the best information for your planning purposes. And as soon as they finish sending us the paperwork, we will be underway. They just closed up the access door to the electrical compartment, which tells me that they're finished with their work and we're just waiting on the paperwork now. Sorry about the inconvenience. Thank you very much.
Ayun, delay po tayo ng 1 hour and 35 minutes. So anyway, from Manila to San Francisco, lilipad po tayo. Ayun. Buti na lang kahit papano ay nakarating tayo ng matiwasay sa San Francisco. At paglapag po natin ng eroplano ay wala na po tayo inaksayang oras dahil naghahabol po tayo sa oras. Ayan, mula San Francisco ay lumipad naman po tayo papuntang Houston. Ayan, layover po tayo ng 3 hours lang. Then from Houston, ay lilipad naman po tayo papunta ng Baltimore. And finally, ayun guys, dumating po ako ng Baltimore ng 10:17. Wala na pong tao, kami na lang po ang huli yatang bumaba ng eroplano. So ayan, makikita nyo, wala nakatao-tao, kami na lang. And charan! Nandito na po ako sa hotel, sa Sheraton Hotel. Ayan guys, kumakain po ako ng sandwich. Yan na po ang aking pinaka-dinner. So, paano guys? Hanggang sa muli. Bukas bakbaka na po tayo sa trabaho. Yun, magandang gabi po sa lahat.